Hey guys, Totally Tara here. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I took my bottles from this to this, then stay tuned. For this project, we will be using Photoshop. Before we even get started, I do want to issue a disclaimer that I am not a Photoshop pro. I literally learned this on the fly. This is actually a free trial of Photoshop because I've never used Photoshop before. I have no idea other tips and tricks on how to use Photoshop. I taught myself how to do this as I was actually doing my project, and I thought it would be a great idea to share this with other people because there are not that many videos on YouTube explaining this process. I will try to find ways to do it outside of Photoshop. That's something that I'm looking into, and once I figure that out, I will definitely upload a video for that as well. But with all that being said, if you still want to see how I did it, then keep watching. So to start, I just clicked custom and create. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is already have your image saved. You're gonna go to file, open, just like you would open in any other program. Select the image that you want to modify. Once you have your image, you're gonna go over to the left hand side of the screen. You're gonna see a little wand. I'm gonna go ahead and select that. The next thing you want to do is select your letters. To do that, you're going to hold down the shift key while you click each letter that you want to remove from the photo. So once we have all the letters selected that we need, the next thing you're going to want to do is go up to the top of the screen to select, and you're going to select modify, expand. Then you're going to go up to edit and go all the way down to where you see fill, and make sure it says content aware. Usually it's the default, but if not, make sure you go down to content aware, click OK, and poof, everything is gone. Then you're going to click outside of that so that everything can be gone. There's still some lines there. To fix this, I use the self-healing tool that looks like an eraser, just to clean those lines up. I also adjusted the size so that I could actually fill in the line at the bottom that was erased. The last thing we're going to do is add our text. My font is already chosen, but at the top you can choose your font size, and any other additional things that you'd like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my name, Totally Tara, and I'm going to adjust it to where I want it to be. I want it to be more centered, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that adjustment. Also, when I did the bottles, it was for my friend's birthday, so I put their ages on theirs. For me, I'm gonna put 30. I'm 30 until I turn 35, and I'm 35 until I turn 40. No, it's not anybody's business. That's just how it is, okay? You can just go ahead and customize it the way you want. When I did my friend's bottles, I did actually leave in the Luxe that was at the bottom, or the Rosé that was at the bottom of the label, and I only added in their year. So happy dirty 30, happy 25, happy 20 great, and then I put their years of birth at the bottom. And that's actually the end. You will see that I did not save it. I went in with the snipping tool, which every computer should have, like a cutting tool or a snipping tool, and I just copied and I went to Microsoft Word. You can also use PowerPoint. I use PowerPoint as well, and you're just gonna go ahead and paste that image on there. The next thing you're gonna do is go to size and position, and you're gonna change the size. So I believe the labels were 2 inches. The width will automatically adjust. So once you have this, you can go to just any inkjet printer and print it out, and that'll be the end of that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a comment and like as well, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate you guys watching my video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.